Welcome to our tour of Sofia, the beautiful capital of Bulgaria. In this video, we will explore the best 11 places you must visit in Sofia. From historic cathedrals to stunning mountains and cultural landmarks, let's dive into the wonders of this amazing city together. Number 1. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. The cathedral is a magnificent symbol of Sofia. Built in the early 20th century, it honors the Russian soldiers who died for Bulgaria's freedom. With its stunning golden domes and impressive size, this cathedral is a must-see for anyone visiting the city. Number 2. National Museum of Military. The museum offers a fascinating journey through Bulgaria's military past. Established in 1916, this museum showcases weapons, uniforms, and artifacts from different eras. It is a great place to learn about Bulgaria's role in various historical events. Number 3. Ivan Vazov National Theatre. The theater is a cultural gem in Sofia. Opened in 1907, it is named after the famous Bulgarian writer Ivan Vazov. The theater's beautiful architecture and rich history make it a perfect spot to enjoy a play or simply admire the building. Number 4. Banya Bashi Mosque. The mosque is a stunning example of Ottoman architecture. Built in the 16th century by the famous architect Mimar Sinan, it is one of the few remaining mosques in Sofia. Its unique design and historical significance make it a fascinating place to visit. Number 5. National Palace of Culture. The palace is a massive multi-purpose conference and exhibition center. Opened in 1981, it hosts various events from concerts to exhibitions. With its modern architecture and vibrant atmosphere, it is a central hub for Sofia's cultural life. Number 6. Pancharevo Lake. The lake is a beautiful spot located in the mountains near Sofia. This scenic lake offers activities like boating, fishing, and hiking. It is a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle, providing a peaceful and picturesque setting. Number 7. Sofia Zoo. The zoo is the oldest and largest zoo in Bulgaria, opened in 1888. It is home to a diverse range of animals from around the world. A visit to Sofia Zoo is both educational and fun, making it a great destination for families and animal lovers. Number 8. Vitosha Mountain. The mountain is a stunning natural landmark that offers breathtaking views of Sofia. It is a popular destination for hiking, skiing, and enjoying nature. With its close proximity to the city, Vitosha Mountain is an ideal spot for outdoor activities and relaxation. Number 9. Regional History Museum of Sofia. The museum is a historic building with beautiful architecture. Built in the early 20th century, it was a popular spa destination. Today, it houses a museum that tells the story of Sofia's thermal springs and their importance to the city's history. Number 10. National Museum of History. The museum is one of Bulgaria's largest and most significant museums. Established in 1973, it holds a vast collection of artifacts that showcase Bulgaria's rich history. From ancient treasures to modern exhibits, this museum offers a comprehensive look at the country's past. Number 11. Church of St. George. The church is a remarkable ancient building in Sofia. Dating back to the 4th century, it is one of the oldest preserved structures in the city. This red brick rotunda is known for its stunning frescoes and historical significance, making it a must-see attraction. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sofia's best attractions. We hope you enjoyed discovering these incredible places and learned more about the rich history and culture of Sofia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and adventures. See you in the next video.